Hi guys, this is Young, and today I'm making a very short video because all I want to say is thank you. A massive big thank you. Actually, I should be a bit more formal. Thank you very much. Well, if you guys have noticed in the numbers below, Young360 channel has finally reached more than 50,000 subscribers. Yeah! Yay! I should jump. So do you know how Young360 is called Young360? Well, first, my name is Young, and 360 is after 360 camera, because at the very beginning when I started thinking about making a YouTube channel and I love traveling, I thought, oh, if I do like 360-degree camera tour about different places that I go to, then maybe my YouTube might take off. However, that did not happen. Actually, 360-degree camera or 360-degree like VR tour, it did not take off at all in any channel. So I sort of focused on tech, and everything was very gradual. It takes time for YouTube channel to grow, which was a very big lesson that I learned on running YouTube channel and also in life in general. So if any of you guys are, working on YouTube channel, don't give up, don't despair, continue working. Although I think it'll be nice to have something at the side, not just YouTube thing, not just focus on YouTube thing alone, because that will be quite tough. So for me, I'm going to continue to work hard on creating fun and interesting content. I'll only review on tech products that actually interest me, that I think would make it very interesting for my viewers. So I'll continue working really hard, and to make this little vlog a bit more interesting, I've actually added some clips from Insta360 One R camera, which is very interesting, especially the Insta360 app. Its app is fantastic. So I'll go and continue editing, working hard on this channel as well as my other channel, if you guys know what I mean. And I hope you guys will continue to support me until I reach like 100,000 and beyond. Hopefully one day. So see you.